Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link Humana Benefits Card to HealthyBenefitsPlus, activation guide step by step clearly. To begin linking your Humana Benefits Card to HealthyBenefitsPlus, ensure you have both your card and the necessary device ready. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for HealthyBenefitsPlus. Press enter to navigate to the HealthyBenefitsPlus website. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button at the top of the page. Click on the Sign In button to access the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. Then, click the Login button to proceed. If you do not have an account, look for the Create Account option. Follow the prompts to create your account using your personal information. After logging in or creating an account, you will be directed to your dashboard. Find the section labeled Link Benefits Card or something similar. Click on that section to begin the linking process. You will now be prompted to enter your Humana Benefits Card information. Carefully input your card number and any required details. After entering your information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Link Card or Submit button. You should see a confirmation message indicating your card is linked successfully. If you encounter any issues, check for any error messages and correct them as necessary. Once linked, explore the available benefits on your HealthyBenefitsPlus dashboard. You are now all set to use your Humana Benefits Card with HealthyBenefitsPlus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.